everyone, welcome back to the third video for Physics for Girls. Today we'll be doing another interesting experiment, so stick around. So to get into this experiment, you're going to need a piece of paper, you're going to need a pen, you're going to need a transparent glass like the last video, a source of water again, and also something you need for support. So what you're gonna start by doing is making arrows on your paper. So I've made 2 arrows here, as you can see, in the same direction, and then you're going to use your stand. I've already made these, so I don't really need a stand, but I'm gonna put this right here, and now I'm going to put my glass right here, and we're going to pour water into it. Let's see what happens, right? Alright, there we go. So as you all can see, only one arrow has been turned over. It's literally facing the different direction, and this one's still here. Why is that happening, right? So I'm going to give you another view so you can see both of the arrows being turned over. There you go. And as soon as I remove the glass, it's back in the same direction. So why is this really happening? Let's get into it. Cut. Okay, so getting into why this happens. So basically, first we're going to look at the layout. This is your arrow which you've drawn. This is the overview of the glass. We're looking at it from the top, and this is your like what you see, the reflection. So the first principle which we need to see is why we see anything, right? So that's because of light rays from the sun coming, and they bounce off of objects, which is reflection, and then they travel to our eyes, which allows us to process an image of what we're seeing. Now, there's another phenomenon which you need to know, which is refraction, which is the bending of light when light enters another medium. If you don't believe me, why don't you put a pencil into a glass of water and see how it looks broken? Why does it look broken? Because the part which is out of the water looks different from the part which is inside water, which is basically being refracted, right? So light rays bend when they enter another medium. Here they're going to enter water, right? So now they are bending right here, as you can see. Again, when they enter air, they do bend, so you're not wrong about that. Now, for example, there are some light rays which are traveling from the top of an arrow. They bend here, and they end up here. Similarly, light rays traveling here, here, and end up here. As you can see, they bend in a way to form an inverted arrow on the other side. I hope this explains it much better. Thanks.